In this video, we'll show you how to connect and use two Bluetooth headphones on your Windows 11 PC at once. So to do this, first use the link in the description to head to this virtual audio cable website. Now here you will need to scroll down and download this VAC zip version, which is the lighter version which works for free. So make sure you download that. Now open the zip file. Now select the zip file and then click on extract all. Once you have extracted the zip file, double click on this setup 64 and then follow the on-screen prompts to install the program. Once you do, you should see this sound window. If you don't see it, you can also go to the sound settings. Select the first result and then scroll down and then click on more sound settings. This will open this window. Here you will need to scroll down and then make sure that the line 1 virtual audio cable is set as the default device. Similarly, go to the recording tab and make sure that the line 1 virtual audio cable is set as the default device. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and open the audio repeater software that you just downloaded. Now simply go ahead and open it again. So you'll need to open the second instance of the app. Once you have both the instances of the app running, make sure to set this as Microsoft Sound Mapper for the first one, and for the second one, select line 1 virtual audio cable. Now use this drop down menu to select your first Bluetooth device or the first output device, and then here select the second device. Once you have done this, simply click on start here and then click on start here as well. Once you do this, you should hear the Bluetooth audio on both the connected headphones. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.